In today's video, I am going to teach you how to stop pop-up ads in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look in the top right corner of the browser window. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots. After the menu opens, move down through the list and click Settings. This will open the Chrome Settings page in a new tab. Now look at the menu on the left side of the Settings page. Click Privacy and Security. After you click Privacy and Security, look toward the main area of the page. Find and select Site Settings. Once you are on the Site Settings page, scroll down until you find the option labeled Pop-ups and Redirects. When you find Pop-ups and Redirects, click it to open the specific controls for that setting. You should now see a page dedicated to pop-ups and redirects. Look for the section called Default Behavior. Under Default Behavior, select Do Not Allow Sites to Send Pop-ups or Use Redirects. You usually do not need to click a Save button because Chrome settings update as soon as you choose the option. That covers everything you need to know.